Good day. Mark 11 verse 22. Have faith in God, or the God kind of faith. Now, to have faith in God. Verse 23. For verily I say unto you that whosoever shall say unto this mountain, Be thou removed, and be thou cast in the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but believe those very things he saith he shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. So your faith always speaks. Faith is not silent. You got to use your faith, and your faith will be released by your mouth. Faith is based only on what the Word of God says. That is simple Bible faith. When the enemy comes with sickness, you go, No, it is written, by his stripes I am healed. That is your faith speaking. If your faith can't move your mouth, your faith will not move your mountain. Speak the word of God only. Be blessed.